What's up, my peoples? This is JB back at it again. This beautiful 9 14 2019. So we are gonna be doing the Bitcoin and XRP um, drawdown of what's been going on since last week. It has been let's see, the third. It's been 10 days, guys. It has been 10 days since the last video, and we are gonna see what happened. So if you want to see what the last video consisted of, just go and look at my videos. It will be the last one that was posted on the 3rd. So before we get started, I am not a financial advisor in any way, and I am not telling you in any way to do anything. I'm just giving you my outlook of the market and letting you know what I believe is going to take place. Other than that, you be responsible with your actions, and yeah. So here we go, guys. XRP, Bitcoin first, guys. Okay, so last time we were checking out this breakout. I told you guys that after this touch, I was really bullish on it. I needed it to break these two channels so that it could be the bullish call. That same day, it actually went and broke the whole channel. I was kind of expecting maybe something like this, maybe come back to like here, some retouch or something, just messing around in these two lines. But it actually broke through it in a very bullish, I'm gonna say, in a very powerful bullish manner. So when that took place, I immediately got super excited. I went and made the video right when it was on this breakout here. So right as soon as it confirmed, pretty much as soon as it closed and confirmed, I made the video telling you guys that I believed it was just gonna come and go to the 11. And if it broke 11,300, I said that we were gonna start seeing the bullish run. It came up and hit 11,935, I believe that's 11,935. So just about 65 pips, 70 pips short of 11,000, which was our target that we were anticipating. So it went just a bit short from it before it came back and hit the reversal retouch. We had said that I thought it was just gonna come, but I also said that it could retouch here, and I'm just gonna erase that. It did not do that. That was a possibility as well. You gotta always anticipate any possibility. So that was the other possible outcome, the retouch, and then keep on going. But just like I predicted, it just did a bull run to almost our 11 target, and it did come down and retouch. So it is making another run to this red trend line here. So before I take away the RSI, I just want to show you guys right here that it did break this right here. And in other videos, I've told you about how I believe the RSI shows you really nice breakouts of when the bullish rally is about to begin. So that breakout in the RSI is really good sign for me that we are about to start. So quick little fact, guys. I was up one of the casinos last night, WinStar Casino. Oh man, what's up, Oklahoma? Shout out. It was super lit, but then we came back and I tried to make a video. It was around 4. It was at 4:20 a.m. guys. How do you know I remember that? It was at 4:20 a.m. I tried to make a video, but my computer was lagging. I had to reset it, and I ended up I ended up falling asleep while I was waiting for it to reset. So it sucks that I couldn't make it last night, guys, especially for XRP. I'll show you in a bit why. And it sucks because, you know, I do these videos so that y'all can see the moves before they happen. And it sucks that my laptop was lagging and I fell asleep and I couldn't give y'all that call before it took place. So either way, it it is still great time to make a video. Still a great time to beast on these markets. But okay, so where were we? So as soon as it broke out of here, we did see the retouch coming back down. I'm gonna take this out of here real quick. So once the retouch did start coming down, I started following it to see where it was gonna start trending and where it was gonna end up ultimately breaking out of. So once we started trending it, we saw a beautiful, beautiful trend here that you know, you couldn't miss it. It was just right freaking there. Beautiful trend. As well as here, you could have said it was in a straight channel. Uh, Straight channel on this, guys. So either way, following that channel, broke out of this channel here, did a nice little run there, came back and retouched the breakout price, which was here. So once it retouched the breakout price, guys, I definitely got excited for the continuation of the rally, and as you could see, we are on their way for that. So right now it is messing around in this price zone here that it needs to break out of, and once it breaks out of this price 11,400, I mean 10,400, sorry about that. So last video I was checking it out that I said 1,300 when I meant 13,000. And I was talking about 1,100 when I meant 11,000. So hopefully y'all knew what I was talking about. But yeah, so once it breaks out of this price right here, which I believe we will see in the next couple hours, so that we can see a nice bullish daily candle close, then we will go and see it touch the 11, because this last run that it had, it didn't really touch our trend line. As you could see, it just came real close to it before it did the retouch. So now I'm expecting for this to definitely come up and touch it now. And like I am expecting for it to break. It could definitely come and retouch and then come and retouch this red line one more time. So just watch out for the price going to what would that be? It's 10,050 to 10,100. That is 10,150, 10,050. I'm gonna say that price range. So this price range here, just watch out for it to maybe touch in there. If it does touch there, it would be a beautiful, beautiful entry. Entry point. So definitely watch out for that. Don't get scared if it does. And once it touches the 10,900s again to 11, yeah, 10,900 to 11,000. Once it touches that price zone again, and it'll be key to see what happens next. Those next candles will be key to what is going to continue, whether a reversal or if it closes bullish on that on those candles, then you know we are going to 13 and 15K next. So I am seeing a bullish continuation on this, and hopefully these next couple hours we end up breaking out of this 10,400 zone. And yeah, let's just zoom in real quick. So this is looking beautiful, guys. It is pushing up as we speak. So maybe before the end of this video, we can actually see that go and break out. That'll be awesome if we see it live right here, guys. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you this trend that it does have here. This is what I'm following for a stop loss, because we did go in on this retrace, and the stop loss would be under the last touch. So this right here, guys, would be the stop loss. I'm gonna put that in red. That price would be the stop loss. I'm gonna move it up a little more right there, and yeah, so that is what the setup is looking like at the moment. Screenshot that real quick. Oh, just hit my toe off. All right, so I believe that is all we have on Bitcoin at the moment. Still following it and still waiting for the 11,000 breakout and 11,300, guys. Remember, 11,300 is key to the bullish rally. That breakout of 11,300. So we're moving on to XRP, guys, so we don't make this video too long. So on XRP, let me zoom in. So on the daily, as you can see, we've had a very nice support here, building up with all these wicks on the price action uh, here, and these three red lines are key prices of the history of XRP, as far as the lowest that it has gone after the bullish rally, which are the first two lines. And this third line is this new low that it created this last time, which it makes perfect sense to create a new low, trying to kick out everybody that it can, so that it may start a new rally toward the upside. So we've been following it. We've been following it since it broke out of here, created some beautiful divergence on the RSI there. I'll pull it up just real quick so we can see that. Where are you at, RSI? There you go. Okay, so daily, and this is even, if not a little bit more upside on this one. So it is gonna be lit. We've been following it since it did that. You go down to the 4 hours, and you could see a little bit better on the channel that it's been holding itself on. So from the last video, we were following it from around here, and we said that we were expecting it to break out, and we needed a key breakout of the 27 price, guys. That is key to the bullish run that is gonna come right now for XRP. So break out of this funnel was freaking lit. It went all the way up, looking like it was gonna break out. It faked out a bunch of people there. I'm pretty sure it caught a couple people on that before it wicked all the way back down and all the way back to 24. It took some people's money there for sure, and then came back up here, messed around here in this area before it shot right back up, to the 2650 zone, and then right back down one more time. But the important thing about this last time that it shot back down, a very important thing to note, is that this last time that it shot back down, it was already out of this trend line. It was already out of there. It was not in that zone anymore. So it is key, because that shows that it has already broken out of this bearish zone. It has already broken out, and it is ready to start the bullish rally. So as soon as the price started moving outside of the box, let's say outside of that funnel, it was a go to see where this entry was gonna be outside of the box. We started following it since the day before yesterday is when we started following it in this area down here. And then last night when I got home, it was just on the peak of the funnel, you know, on it was just there. So that's when I was like, oh man, I want to make the video. It's gonna be super lit. I straight up just, man, had everything perfectly to what is happening now. So you know, it sucks that it's not documented, but I could definitely tell you what's gonna happen next. Um, in my personal opinion, we are going to see this, you know, this little mini funnel here, and it's gonna break up. It's gonna break going up, guys. We're definitely gonna see finally the 27 touch, and hopefully the break of the 27 finally. So if it doesn't, then you know what's gonna happen next. We're gonna see some consolidation. We might even consolidation before it goes up and breaks, or consolidation and then come back down to around the 25 what is that, 2570, 2590 area, around this zone, to retouch the breakout area. So if it does come back, it'll be come back to retouch this breakout area. That is, man, it freaking shot up, guys. That thing just skyrocketed. It was crazy. What happened? What, an hour and a half? In an hour and a half, pretty much, guys. 2 hours just gone. So that is a very good sign, and um, I believe that, you know, what's the CEO of Ripple, um, he just went and had a he had an interview with CNN, and it was lit, guys. The interview was super lit. People are accepting it way more, and it is becoming mainstream. It is becoming the norm, and as time goes by, it will definitely become the norm, and as it does, the usage will just make it skyrocket, guys. It's just common sense. Just common sense. So looking forward to these next couple of hours, looking forward to these next couple of days. If we looking at the daily, this candle is looking lit. So if we wanted to really show us something nice, this candle will end up breaking out of the 27 and close out of the 27 today. That'll be by 4 or 5 p.m., guys. And if it does, then that is a bigger confirmation. Even if it closes right here under the 27 on the daily, I'll be happy as long as it does not go below the 26. If this candle just closes, you know, above the 26, 26 360, pretty much above these wicks, if it closes above those wicks, guys, I will be happy, and I will definitely keep bullish sentiment on it. So that is what we're looking at right now. Close out of there and see it go up to our TPs. This is just looking super lit, guys. This pattern right here is a beautiful M formation that I trade a lot. And I'll show you what happens with these M formations real quick. If you look at my old videos, I've shown you this before, and then I've shown you how they have played out afterwards. So this M formation here will give you a perspective of what will happen. So the first wave comes and touches the neck, let's say, and then after it touches the neck, it like retraces, and then it retouches this breakout of like this curve, right? The W curve looking. Hopefully you know what I'm talking about. So once it comes and retouches that, then it goes and breaks out of the neck and makes the next high, which is here. So once, and it will fit perfectly with the trend line. So once it hits there, then we have you know, the continuation of the M, or you know, the reversal of the M. So that is what we're looking at, guys. We are gonna go weekly on this. Let me take a quick screenshot of this before I erase it. All right, now let me go back, erase all this before I go to the weekly, because if not, we are not gonna be able. If not, we're not going to be able to see nothing in the weekly. So many drawings. All right, so now let's go to weekly. All right, weekly, guys. So this weekly candle, oh, come on. Let me take this tool away. All right, so this weekly candle, guys, I'm expecting it to close out of the 27, and that is on Sunday. So by Sunday, I'm expecting it to close out of there, which is tomorrow, and give us a nice bullish start. So that nice bullish start next week will just mess around a bit, come and retest somewhere, you know, somewhere around here, like we have predicted, maybe even around here, how the wave showed, and then retouch. So it'll close here, the weekly, and then it'll come here, retouch, make a wick, and then just shoot up. So that is what we're predicting on XRP. So hopefully, guys, it plays out how we are expecting, and we can catch some major pippage. It has been real, guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all are learning. Wow, catching some major nuggets in the market. If you are, please give it a like, give it a share. I've never told y'all to, but you know, if you are getting some value out of it, then please, guys, share the value, and tell your friends and family to subscribe, because this is the only channel that I know of that is giving you these fire ass calls as far as price goes. And again, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. Just, you know, do what you feel comfortable with. But yes, guys, come on. If you have seen the results, please give me a thumbs up and comments on there. So let's see what happens, guys. You have seen the prediction here first, and let's roll with it. VIZPARRI out. We'll see y'all soon. Deuce.